For this video, you're going to need 3½ cups of bread flour, 1½ cups of warm water, 1/8 of a cup of oil. I use avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of sugar. And then you're gonna mix it all together, and you're gonna let it rise for 1 hour, and then shape it and put your cinnamon and your sugar, and then you're gonna let it rise for the second time for 45 minutes in your pan, and then you're gonna bake it for 30 minutes.
Welcome. Cinnamon bread. Bread flour. 3 cups of bread flour. One tablespoon yeast. One cup sugar. One cup of 110-degree water out of the sink. One-eighth cup avocado oil. One teaspoon of salt. 1 cup extra water. Pour 1/4 cup warm water. Stir with hands. One 1/4 cup more to pick up all the flour. Knead 8 minutes. Still kneading. Made a ball. Spray with oil. Roll the ball in the oil. Let it rest for 1 hour to doubling in size. Put towel over it. Cover with towel.
Okay, our cinnamon bread should be rose by now. We lost voice while ago, so I hope you all enjoy the video anyway. Okay, it's doubled in its size. We're going to get our bread flour back out. This makes a good breakfast. That's what we ate for breakfast this morning was cinnamon bread. So that's why I'm going to make another loaf. Now you can add raisins to this if you want to. Put how much ever cinnamon, how much brown sugar you want on yours. Usually about 2 to 3 tablespoons is enough. Now you could put melted butter inside this, but I don't until we get ready to eat it, and then that's when we add our butter. Or put it on top after it gets done. Now you pinch your bottoms together. That way it stays together. And then you put it in your pan. Okay, let me get my pan. I use a meatloaf pan. Y'all can use whatever you want. Regular loaf pans, a 9x5. Now we're going to let this rise for 45 minutes. The first rise was an hour. Now it's going to rise 45 minutes in your pan. Make sure it's seam side down now before you put it in your pan. Now you're going to let this rise for 45 minutes. We made 2 loaves. Okay, we're going to put them in the oven and bake them for 30 minutes. And then we'll be back. Okay, our bread is done. We're going to let it cool off. One of them is going to somebody else, and one of them's going to be ours. Okay, we're going to cut us one of these. Here's what it looks like inside. Look how soft. Pretty good. Mmm. Yum. Still warm. After you make these, you're supposed to wait 1 hour before you cut into them. Pretty good, pretty good. Make these.